It's gonna be alright. How can you tell? I feel it in my heart. It's gonna be okay. The sun is shining bright.
We've all been there. We have something important to say, a burning idea, or a story yearning to be told. But a voice filled with self-doubt whispers, maybe not today. Maybe it's a pitch you find too high, an accent you feel self-conscious about, or simply the disconnect between your internal voice and the recording on your phone. Disliking a voice can be a powerful silencer, but here's the secret. Expressing yourself, even when you don't love the sound of the voice, is incredibly important. It's about more than just the sound waves hitting someone's eardrums. It's about the message, the ideas, the experiences that make you you. When you express yourself, you share a piece of your world, sparking connections and fostering understanding. Imagine your voice as a bridge. It connects you to others, allowing you to build meaningful relationships with those who resonate with your thoughts and feelings. It allows you to advocate for yourself. It's a tool to navigate life's complexities and ensure your needs are heard. Sure, there will be moments of self-consciousness. Your voice might crack, your words fumble, or a recording might make you cringe. But that's okay. Think of it like learning a new instrument. The more you practice, the more comfortable you become. Gradually, the focus shifts from the sound itself to the power of what you're saying. Here's the key. Start small. Share your thoughts with a trusted friend. Participate in low-pressure discussions. With each interaction, you build confidence and challenge the inner critics holding you back. Remember, your voice is unique. It's the melody of your experiences, the rhythm of your thoughts. Embrace its individuality and the impact it can have. The world needs your voice, even if you don't like the sound of it. So take a deep breath, find your courage, and speak up. You might be surprised by the beautiful symphony you can create. Thank you so much for watching and listening. I hope you enjoyed the message in this video and found it helpful. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.